In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious Hilsa or Ilish fish. As you can see in my video, the curry has turned out to be tempting. The color speaks volumes of the taste. And for this curry recipe, I have just used 3 to 4 ingredients. And the best part of this dish that it actually focuses or enhances the flavors of this precious, delicious, and of course the costliest fish, Hilsa. This goes best with some hot steaming rice. So stay tuned for the entire recipe of this delicious Ilish fish curry. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner in English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. Let's begin with this delicious curry. So as I said, I have taken 3 pieces of Hilsa. These are approximately 500 grams. Yes, they are quite large piece. The whole fish was of 3 kg. I have actually uploaded the video of this whole live fish cutting. You can check it out. So here I have taken 500 grams of Hilsa fish, washed it, patted it dry. I have applied some turmeric powder and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Nicely I'll coat this Hilsa pieces with some turmeric powder and salt, and as I said, 3 pieces I have taken, and it's around 500 grams, though you can adjust the amount according to grams. So for 500 grams of fish, this much turmeric and salt is perfect. Nicely I have marinated it. I'll keep it aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare a paste. So yellow mustard I have taken here around 1 tablespoon. This is less pungent than its co-partner, that's the black mustard, and equal amount of black mustard I'll be taking around 1 tablespoon. So we need to finely make a paste out of it. So first tip, and always I use this tip, is that first I'll grind it, dry grind it, so that it makes it easier to make it a fine paste. So this is it. First I have dry grinded it. You can see it's powdered. To this I'll be adding 2 green chilli. Adding green chilli is really important, but you can decrease the amount according to your taste. Little bit amount of water I have added and I have blended it to make a smooth paste. Now we need to strain this paste. If we strain this paste, many people do have a huge after just having this mustard gravy, or some people have indigestion issues because of this mustard gravy. So this can be completely ruled out if we strain this prepared paste and discard the leftovers, especially the husk. This is what I was talking about. Press and just squeeze out the juice. This is it. It's perfectly done. And now this I will be using in a curry. Very few ingredients and this curry will be ready. And one more thing I need to do is that I do need to make paste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I have taken here half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. That's only for color, and 1 tablespoon of water I'll be adding, and I'll just mix them, and this paste I'll use in a curry. So as you can see, just few ingredients, some mustard seeds and this turmeric and red chilli, salt, oil, and I'll be using some Nigella seeds. That's it. This few ingredients and a delicious Hilsa curry will be ready. So I have heated a kadhai and 4 to 5 tablespoon of mustard oil goes in. This is the amount for half a kg of Hilsa fish. And once it starts to heat, I will be adding Kalonji or Nigella seeds around half a teaspoon. This gives a very peculiar flavor for this curry. Once it starts to sputter, I will be adding slitted green chilli too. Again, it depends upon your taste. If you want to decrease the amount, you can always add 1, but make sure you add green chilli because of its smell. So I'll wait for 20 to 30 seconds. You can see it's done. I'll be adding the paste of turmeric and red chilli powder. Give it a mix till the oil starts to separate. It will take just 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. So after 10 to 15 minutes of roasting this turmeric and red chilli paste, it's done. I'll be adding water around 300 ml approximately for half a kg of fish, because we don't want a watery gravy. We just want a semi-thick gravy, and some amount of salt I have added. You can adjust accordingly because already we have added some amount of salt in the fish. So I have added some salt here. Wait till it starts to boil, and once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to medium, and then I will be adding the marinated Hilsa fish. See how beautiful it's looking. I'm a huge fan of this Hilsa or Ilish fish, so I eagerly wait for this season to get this type of large big size of fish. So as I said, you can check out the video. In my previous video I had uploaded live fish cutting of this fish, and the 3 pieces goes in, and as the flame is medium, this will take around 2 to 3 minutes to get a boil. And once it starts to boil, I'll carefully flip the fish pieces because we had added it raw. So in 2 to 3 minutes it's stiff enough so that I can flip it. You can see carefully I will flip it, and after flipping all the pieces I had already added some salt. For me the salt amount is perfect. I'll add the prepared mustard paste. So after adding the fishes I had just cooked it for around 3 to 4 minutes, and now after adding the mustard paste I'll just gently mix it. And now it's time to again taste the salt. It's just okay for me because the fish had some salt and turmeric, so that's why I had confirmed. And now I'll be adding sugar, half a teaspoon, to neutralize the rawness of this mustard paste. So give it a mix after adding half a teaspoon of sugar, and now in medium flame I'll cover it and cook for maximum 5 to 6 minutes because this fish will be cooked very quickly. So 5 to 6 minutes it's done. You can see the oil has been separated and this gravy is looking delicious. At this stage I'll add 1 green chilli slitted for the smell, and again cover for just 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes it's almost done. I'll switch off the flame and I'll add raw mustard oil 1 teaspoon. This gives a very nice flavor. Cover it and give it a standing time of 5 to 6 minutes, and then our delicious Hilsa or Ilish fish curry is ready to be served. Just 4 to 5 ingredients. The timing and the taste combines with this delicious and delicate flavor of Ilishi or Hilsa to just surprise your taste buds. To give this a try. If you are a fan of Ilishi, you will surely love this recipe, and stay tuned in my channel for such more delicious Hilsa recipes. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Grace Claire. She writes, "Thanks Sue, I love this recipe and your channel is so amazing." Thank you so much, Grace, for your beautiful words, and she has actually commented on the recipe of my instant potato snacks. I'm so glad you love the recipe. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, this delicately flavored Hilsa fish curry will surely surprise you. And if you have loved this video, do give it a thumbs up, consider to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share with your family and friends. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.